Welcome back to Dream Autos, your trusted source for honest reviews and detailed insights on the latest vehicles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2026 Kia camper van. This new model has created quite a buzz in the automotive world, and for good reason. Kia has stepped up its game in the camper van category, blending smart design, performance, and affordability into one impressive package. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Kia camper van boasts a sleek and modern look. It carries a distinctive presence on the road with its aerodynamic shape, bold grille, and LED lighting system that wraps around the front and rear. The sharp body lines and matte trim give it a premium, almost futuristic appearance. Kia has clearly paid attention to detail. Flush door handles, roof rails, and tinted windows add both functionality and style. The van also rides on durable 17-inch alloy wheels that complement its sturdy build and adventure-ready posture. Moving to the short interior review, the cabin space is surprisingly roomy. Kia has designed the layout to maximize comfort and utility. Inside, you'll find two front captain seats that swivel, a foldable bench seat, a compact kitchenette, and a pop-up roof that adds sleeping space. The use of soft touch materials and ambient lighting makes it feel more like a modern lounge than a traditional van. The infotainment system is easy to use, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated, and the climate control system ensures comfort regardless of weather conditions. Though this is a short review of the interior, it's clear that Kia has packed a lot into a relatively compact space. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2026 Kia camper van starts at around $49,000 USD, which is quite competitive for a camper van with these features. Fully loaded versions can go up to $58,000 depending on the trim and options you choose. Compared to other brands in the same category, Kia offers exceptional value. With essential camping features included as standard, this camper van is an ideal option for both first-time buyers and seasoned travelers. On the performance side, the 2026 Kia camper van is powered by a 2.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine that produces around 200 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and offers both front-wheel and all-wheel drive options. The ride is smooth and composed, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight back roads. Fuel economy stands at an estimated 24 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size. It also comes with advanced safety, features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering. Overall, the 2026 Kia camper van is a solid entry into the camper van market. It's stylish, practical, and offers great value for money. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this van is ready for the road. Thanks for watching Automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with the bell on, and we'll see you in the next ride.